Have you ever placed a trade and wondered, should I go with market order or limit? What exactly is stop loss or bracket order? Trading without understanding the order types is like driving without knowing what actually the brakes do. In this video, we'll cover the essential types of orders in the stock market, limit, stop loss, SLM, cover orders, bracket orders and more. ये वीडियो बिगनर के लिए भी है और उन सभी ट्रेडर्स के लिए भी है जो कभी गलत ऑर्डर टाइप सेलेक्ट कर लॉस में चले जाते हैं। सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे मार्केट ऑर्डर की, दैट इज इंस्टेंट एग्जीक्यूशन। अ मार्केट ऑर्डर इज द मोस्ट बेसिक काइंड ऑफ द ऑर्डर। व्हेन यू आर प्लेसिंग एन ऑर्डर, you ask your broker to either buy or sell a stock immediately at the best price available. For example, if Reliance is quoting at 2950 and you place a market order, you will get it at 2950 or the next best price available. Its benefits are: first is instant execution. Second, no waiting for the price to match. Its limitations are: first, there is no price control. Second, in volatile stocks, price slippage हो सकता है। अब हम बात करेंगे when to use the market order. When you care more about executing the trade than the price, especially in highly liquid stocks. अब हम बात करेंगे limit order की, that is price control. Limit order allows you to set the maximum price that you are willing to buy or the minimum that you are willing to sell. For example, you want to buy the TCS stock at 3700, but currently it is trading the market at 3720. Place a limit order at 3700. The order will only be executed if the price comes down. Its benefits are: first is full price control, and second, no slippage. And its limitations is: the order may not be executed if the price does not comes down. Now we'll talk about when to use the limit order. It should be used when you are patient and you want full price control. It is great for swing traders and investors. Here's the quick pro tip: use limit order to avoid overpaying, especially in the volatile stocks. Now we'll talk about the stop loss order. That is a risk management tool. A stop loss is a protective order. It gets triggered when the price moves against you. There are two types. First, stop loss with the limit price, that is SL. And second, stop loss with the market execution, that is SLM. Example of SL order is: bought Infosys at 1500 rupees, place SL order to sell it at 1470 with limit at 1465. If the price hits 1470, it becomes a limit order at 1465. And the example of SLM order is same case, but in the case of SLM, as soon as the price hit 1470, the sell order goes to the market immediately. Few benefits are: first, risk management. Second, helps control the emotional exits. Some limitations are: first, SLM may cause slippage. Second, SL may not execute if the price gap goes below the trigger. Now we'll talk about as to when to use these. Always use stop loss when trading in volatile or leveraged position. Here's a quick pro tip: never place SL too close to your buy price. It may trigger too soon due to volatility. Now we'll talk about the cover order. Cover order is a two-legged order, market order with a compulsory stop loss. It is used mostly for intraday trading when the broker wants to manage their risk. For example, buy SBI at the market price of rupees 600 with mandatory SL at 585. This restricts the maximum loss. Its benefits are: first is lower margin requirement. Second, it is good for risk control intraday trades. Its limitations are: it cannot control the entry price, and second, no profit target leg. Now we'll talk about the bracket order, that is BO. Bracket order is a three-legged order. First is entry, second stop loss, and third is target or profit booking. This order automatically cancels the other legs once it gets hit. This is called OCO, that is one cancels other. For example, buy the HDFC share at 1500 rupees, SL at 1480 and target at 1530. Whichever hits first, the others gets cancelled. Its benefits are: first, everything is automated. Second, it is great for disciplined trading. And third, there are lower margins. Its limitations are: first, it is only for intraday in many platforms. And second, it is not available in all the segments. Now we'll talk about AMO, that is after market orders. If you are busy during the market hours, then you can place AMO. The time is usually between 4 p.m. and the next day before the market opens. It is good for working professionals and long-term investors who want to buy at gap up or gap down opportunities. Now we'll talk about the GTT or the GTC, that is long-term triggers. GTT is good till triggered and GTC is good till cancelled. It is useful for investors want to entry or exit at specific level and don't want to monitor every day. For example, you want to buy Bajaj Finance only if it drops at 6,000 from 7,200. Then you can set a GTT order at 6,000 rupees. It stays active up to 1 year. Always remember, placing the right order is already half battle won. It's not just about the analysis, it's about the execution strategy too. Whether you are an intraday trader, a swing trader, or long-term investor, mastering the order types will save you from the costly mistakes and improve your trading discipline. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and do comment below and let us know which order type do you use the most. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and happy investing.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. The securities quoted are exemplary and are not recommendatory.